Katanot kintiwi ki Samla hagi kamile kai Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs jong Khuborjylla haka apunyo trik Nailar kan penlong katsan spa tali ki lumpung Iamir Jingmut haka lengkari India dingba ki video kumno ban penroi bat kintiwi ki kamile kai sports babunjat kum kajing penkre na kebenta ka Olympic Games arhajar lai pun riu bakari India ka angnut ban penlong. Meghalaya yakni kajing Iamir Jingmut bala ai kerteng Khelo India Samvad Khel ki baat PM के साथ इन पेलong आरजका कथुप आ हसाई नेहरू कैंपस बट कथुप बी हसीन एंथनीज कॉलेज ऑडिटोरियम Hagani ka lumpung Iamir Jingmut ki Samla ki laban ai Jingmut kat bekimon kumnu ban kintewi ki jingle kai ki laban ai Jingmut ru ban take madan nile kai ki baki jilla ki district bat ki Shillong ki dang don kam ban play ki lat ki kabui ki jingle kai babunjat na ka benta ki Samla kin thai bat chinrang ki scholarship bat ki we ki jing not be ki Samla ki kwa ban penpau ki Samla kin yo la ru ban yekren bat ye play Jingmut bat ki rang ki thai ki belara ki nam la du ha ki lumpung nile kai babunjat Uketan Singla, District Youth Officer Sarkar India, Balakmi Linti bagi Samla ke Shillong, kinmi ban shimintagani ke program. Professor Albert Nongrum College National Service Scheme Youth Coordinator St. Anthony's College, ulang ke jingpen kre kalayat syakmat bat uang not bagi Samla kin shiminta da ke jing shongshit.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank everybody present here, all the media persons present here, and all the other departments official present here. So I am Ketan Singla. I am District Youth Officer from My Bharat Ministry of Youth Affairs, Government of India, and also with me is the Madam Linda Sharma, who is the State Director, My Bharat, and Mr. Albert from NSS, from St. Anthony's College, and Ma'am from NEHU, NSS Coordinator, Ma'am. So this is for the 27th program. We are celebrating. We are organizing one program which is called as PM Khelo India Samvad, which is organized for the sports National Sports Day, which is celebrated on 29th of August on the birth anniversary of the legendary hockey player and national icon Major Dhyan Chand Singh. This program on 27th of August will be organized in 1600 different locations across the country with approximately 8 lakh youth participating in this event. So in every district we have two locations, one is category A and one is category B. In category A, the PM, Honorable PM Sir will be interacting two-way with the youth present there, and in category B there would be video conferencing. So this Khelo India Samvad is for the four different pillars. The first one is that strengthening of the sports ecosystem at the grassroots level. Second is the nurturing talent for the 2036 Olympics, that is athlete development. Third is the enhanced youth leadership and youth participation in governance. Fourth, youth empowerment for Viksit Bharat 2047 by connecting youth people with future-ready skills, volunteering, and opportunities for nation building. In this program on 27th, we have different sports icons present there who will be main chief guest of the program, and we will have youth also present there. So this is a program which bring together the country's youth, sports person, and future of India under one common platform. In this, Honorable PM Sir will be interacting with the youth and sports icon from 10 to 11 p.m. 11 a.m. and after 11 a.m. Till 12, we have an offline interactive session between the sports icon and youth present there. We will be having a national players, Mr. Mohapatra, that will be in the St. Anthony's, and one more athlete, national level player present at the NEHU. So this is all regarding the 27th program. So I would like to give the mic to Mr. Albert sir, who will be
So the whole idea of this is, especially as sir already mentioned, to nurture the talent, to build the infrastructure, and to engage especially the young people, so that by engaging the youth, we can receive their ideas, and also what exactly do they expect from the government. So it's a very good initiative from the government of India, and we from St. Anthony's College also, who are also participating in this particular program. We are very excited. We have mobilized our volunteers also in the college, and we are looking forward to this particular program also on the 27th of August. In our college also, as Sir had already mentioned, we will have an interaction with the Prime Minister. Of course, it will be a one-way communication. After that, we will also have an interaction with the sport icon, and we are looking forward to many good ideas also being contributed by youngsters and students also of the college. And we also invite not just let us say the students of from our college. We also invite through this press conference to all maybe young people who would want to participate. We invite them, we welcome them. They are always they are very much welcome to come to St. Anthony's College. The timing would be at 10. It will be in the conference hall of the college. So we welcome all, and we hope that through this program, it will really be a successful venture in especially engaging our youth, not just for the present but for the future development of the sports in India as a whole.
One is the category A, that would be in NEHU campus. Second, in category B, that is in St. Anthony's, which will be taken organized by Sir Albert. From 10 to 11, we have a Honorable PM Sir's online interaction, in which My Bharat volunteers will introduce the session. A video will be played, and after that, there will be a speech and interactive session of the PM Sir with the youth present there and the sports icon present there. And after the 11 a.m., there will be an offline interactive session by the sports icon and the youth present. They would discuss the different topics like the situation of the sports infrastructure, what are the issues, and what are the other transformation changes brought in by the last 12 years. There will be also one online VBLD quiz. Through that quiz, they can participate in My Bharat, Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue. That is a type of national youth festival organized in New Delhi. We will also be having a one idea box present there. In that, youth can present their ideas. That will be presented. The good ideas will be presented before the higher authorities like our Honorable Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports and Honorable PM. And such ideas will be also be implemented at the grassroots level, and the student's name will be also attached with that idea and will be taken to higher authorities. So this is all about the program. So we invite the youth as well as the local big personalities to be present in the event to be the gracious occasion at this point. The sports icon has been nominated from the SAI, Sports Authority of India. One is Devraj Mohapatra. He is the highest performer at Khelo India Youth Games, Bhagalpur, and earned bronze medal in 2025. And second is the Bethine Grace Macri. He was the first Khelo India tribal game when in Chhattisgarh in 10-kilometer walk, and she earned a bronze medal in that, and also earned third position in Sora International Marathon 21 kilometer.